Hi, welcome to the Edenos tutorial on how to join a research study. Once you have been invited to join a research study, you'll receive an email from Edenos Health. Click into that email, where you will see that you have been invited to join a research study on Edenos. Join by clicking here on this link. Once you have clicked, you will be linked to the Edenos web app, where a pop-up will appear stating that a doctor has invited you to start a journey. Click Accept, and you will be linked to the sign up link. Over here, you will input your first name, a random username, and for the email, you want to make sure that it is an email that you have been invited to the study with. For the password, you need at least 8 characters long, 1 uppercase, and 1 number. After you have filled in all the items, click on Sign Up. After you click Sign Up, you will fill in your gender and your date of birth. And click Let's Get Started. You will then be linked to a series of tutorials welcoming you to Edenos. Click the next arrow. It'll describe to you what a journey is, which is a chronological collection of posts documenting your treatment experiences. You can also explore different treatments, exercises, and devices that are helping people with your condition. But here, since we are invited to a research study, all you have to do is navigate through the tutorial and click Let's Get Started. You'll be automatically linked to that specific research study journey so that you can track your improvement over time. Click out of the pop-up and select your title. And if this is your first time trying this treatment, you can click yes. If it is not, you can specify how many days you have tried this treatment for already. So for this example, we'll say this is our first time trying this treatment. Click on Next. And over here, you can actually tell us more about if there are any other symptoms you would like to track or specific information about your condition prior to starting the journey. Next, you will select Initial Questionnaire, and you will answer the initial survey. So here, the first question is, what's your baseline pain? After you answer it, you click Next. What treatments and therapies have you tried in the past? So select the pertinent answers and click Next. After you are done with the initial survey, you have the option of adding your first post or just creating your journey and creating your first post later. After you have selected creating your first post later, you have successfully completed adding your first journey. Now, once you are finished with adding your first journey, feel free to tune into the next video about how to add your longitudinal posts and surveys.